What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this one app that pays you $400 for free while sleeping. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online and make money on YouTube and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or opinions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please guys do me a favor and check out my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. And please subscribe to that channel because I'm giving away free money also there once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So the link to that channel will pop up here in this video. So go ahead and click on it, subscribe, check out the videos, like it, and help me get to 2,000 on that channel. And one other thing, guys, please type hashtag the grind is real in the comments below and follow me on Instagram at appgrind. Because if you follow me there, that's going to increase your chances of winning this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Okay guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because you need to know every step you need to take on getting this $400 for free while you're sleeping. So without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over to the site and I'm going to show you how to start making this money. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the website and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. But it says here, get money from your Android phone. We pay every minute of that time when you do nothing. So you don't have to do absolutely nothing. You're going to get paid. So let's scroll down here and read some more. And this is where you sign up at. It's free to sign up. And let's see here. Now, here's one issue with this website. It's an app and it's not available on Google Play at this time, but you can download it here from this site, but you got to have an Android phone. So it says here we have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. So that's the name of this website, is Cash Magnet. And let's scroll down and read a little bit more about this. So we do not need to perform, you do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. So guys, it's not a site where you have to watch ads. You don't have to play no games. You don't have to do no surveys or anything like that, guys. You're going to get money while you sleep. So let's scroll down some more and read some more about this. So prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with a cash magnet, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. So after you start making money on here, you can just go ahead and buy you another phone and make money off on that phone too. So you can have the app on 2 phones making money, guys. So it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. So that's good to know. And these are the platforms that you're going to get paid. So you get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, Apple gift cards, PlayStation, Xbox. So earn money while using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. Now let's read some of these questions here and see what the answers are to them. You already know what cash magnet is. Well, let's go ahead and read that. So cash magnet, it's a Android app that allows you to earn extra cash while you are not using the phone. So it is free. We already know the operation system. Are there any additional requirements for the phone? Let's read that. So minimum requirements for Cash Magnet to run smoothly is to have Android 4.4.4 or higher. We also recommend to have at least 1 gigabyte of RAM or memory and 8 gigabytes of storage. Now, how does the accumulation of points happen? Just click there. Accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes. The longer your program will work on your phone, the more money you will receive. And let's see what else here. What is the minimum payment? That's a good question. So minimum payment is $1. So you can get that real fast. How long does it take to earn points? So most users can easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days, but it depends on how much time your cash magnet will work. So in 2 days, you guys can earn enough money to cash out. Now, I'm not going to read all these. When you come to this site, you can go ahead and check this out and see what the answer is to all these questions. So that's all I'm going to say about this website, guys. This is a really good website. If you want to just go to sleep and make money, you don't have to worry about doing anything on here and make passive income. Just come on over to Cash Magnet and go ahead and download the app and start making that money. So go to cashmagnetapp.com. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 50 likes, guys. Just 50 likes. That's all I ask. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app that I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Come on, guys, roll to 4,000. Let's get there this month. It's September now. I'm ready to get there this month because I'm ready to give this money away to 2 lucky people. So come on, let's share this, guys. By the way, share it all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And also, I want to get as many subscribers that I can get so we can grow as a channel, and I keep giving away this free money and keep giving you guys this good content, because we're going to be successful entrepreneurs, guys. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, appreciate you guys for checking me out. Hey, leave a creative comment down below because you'll get a shout out. Whatever comment that I check out and I like it, you might get a shout out in one of my videos. It could be any video. I'm not going to announce it. I might just pop up and say, hey, shout out to this person. Because if you guys drop a creative comment and I pick it and I shout you out, that might can help out your YouTube channel if you're trying to grow it. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.